YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do today. Hopefully you guys had a good day, everybody is safe, and we are in holiday rush. So, you guys might want to check these company out right now. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below, and if it's a Walmart also and a Best Buy, I'll leave their links also. So definitely check them out, but for sure it's going to be Amazon. And like I said, see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item right now, add it to your cart and check out. Black Friday's coming up, so you might want to keep on browsing between the links and see what sales they have on. They got sales going on right now for, whoa, this guy looks pretty cool. Lamicall Shine ETSU Fingerprint Oil. Ooh. This is a anti-static dust-proof tempered glass 2-pack, not Tupac. Rest in peace, Tupac. Okay, product features the Shin Etsu iPhone 14, 13 Pro. Oh, nice shiny. This is really nice. I think this is the same thing. Yes, I got two. Pretty cool monkey. Alright. Let's take a look at this, set it up, and we'll be good to go. Come on. Sometimes I'm good at these, sometimes I'm not, so hopefully tonight I'll be alright. I think these are easy. Compared to the others, you'll be very happy. This guy's cool. I dig it. They should sell their figures or stuffed animals like this. I would definitely buy one. Kind of looks like from Planet of the Apes. There we go. And voila. And there he is again. Tempered glass, dust-proof. Here we go. Man, they did a nice job though with the package. Everything's perfect. Look at this. Now this is nice bright yellow. This is how it's done. Excellent job, guys. We'll have 3 monkeys here. Here we go. They can just stay there and chill. Okay, so you get the holder to hold it in place, I do believe. You get some wipes, installation package. Oh, please let it be easy or cheesy. You got the trusty old towel, kind of mini towel, but it does its job. And you know, alcohol-free prep pad. That's what you're going to put first. And this is going to be dust remover sticker. Got the manual. Already got that out. That's bright though. And baby. Envelope. And the winner is Lamicall. Lamicall. There he is again. This guy's cool. Alright, we'll put him over here. Thumbs up, dude. Definitely nice. Like I said, this is the way to go. Ooh. Anti-static. Hey, there he is again. Anti-static glass. Effective anti-dust and anti-static. Ultra clear. It's really clear. And And now I'm going to grab my phone. I'll be back. And I got a little bubbly, but looks good. Like I said, easy to put together. I didn't use this. I should have, but I had pretty sturdy hands today. I mean, it fits perfect over your phone. And see the little bubble? It's got to fix. Click. Gotta smooth it out. But there we go. So very happy with these guys. Anti-static, dust-proof. They got it all. Also, check out what other accessories they have. And you never know. Like I said, they got plenty of iPhone 13, iPhone 14, anti-static, dust-proof, tempered glass. We gotta protect these like our babies, guys. Definitely you'll be happy with it. And yeah, click the link and you get a lot of goodies from one package. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.